Hello everyone, welcome to the course of mobile application development. In today's class, we are going to learn a new concept called using content providers. So we have already seen what is a content provider. So content provider acts as a medium between apps or the applications and the data layer. So this particular data layer will be having the memory segments such as internet, SQLite database as well as the file system. Now here, this following particular section introduce the content resolver class and how to use it for the query and how to transact with a content provider. Now coming to the introduction of the content resolver, actually what is the content resolver? It can be best explained with the help of this particular block diagram. So here if you see, there are two apps. The contact apps is one and the WhatsApp app is the second app. Okay. So whenever the WhatsApp app would like to access the contacts from the contact app, okay, it need to send a request. So this particular data request is sent through the content resolver, and using the content resolver, the data is sent to the contacts apps. Now, once the data is sent to the contacts app, using a content provider in the contacts app, it sends the data response to the WhatsApp database through the cursor. Now, I will explain you one by one regarding this. So if you see here, the contacts apps will be having a database and all the contacts will be stored in this particular database with a security, and it also has a privacy. Okay. Now, this particular contacts app will be having a content provider which will be helping to access that particular database whenever the user needs it. Now, the other side, whenever we are using the WhatsApp, as soon as you install the WhatsApp application will give you a message like it would like to access all the contacts, such that all the contacts will get imported into the WhatsApp. Now, what happens is there will be a content resolver in the WhatsApp, and this content resolver will be helping in sending the data request to the contacts apps. Now, this particular data request will be having URI, Uniform Resource Identifier. Using this Uniform Resource Identifier URI, the data is requested to the contact app, and once the URI is received by these contact apps, it will be considering it as permission granted, and this particular contact apps using the content provider will be sending the complete contacts details in the form of a data response. Now, all these contacts will be stored into the WhatsApp database with the help of a cursor over here. We already know, right? Cursor is nothing but a pointer which will be pointing to a particular location in the database. So this is how the content resolver and content provider is used between two different applications in order to access a single database. Okay. So here the content resolver is given as content resolver CR is equal to get content resolver. This is how we are using the content resolver method. We also have how you query the content providers, how you insert a content into using a content resolver, how you delete the content using a content resolver, and how you update the content using the content resolver. All these things we will be seeing in the next video. Thank you.